You might have seen somebody with the new Siri, sort of where it glows multicolored around the edge of the iPhone screen. I'm going to show you how to get that and why you might have the old Siri versus the new Siri. So on here, I just want you to see visually what it looks like. The old Siri would have this little symbol at the bottom center. However, the new Siri sort of has this glow around the edges, and that is called Apple Intelligence, aka Siri and Apple Intelligence. Now, if you're not sure if you have that on your iPhone, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the correct iPhone. This is not available for every iPhone. You can see it's available for iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, every iPhone 16, and every iPhone 17. If you have one of those, let's make that Siri glow around the edges and enable it. To be able to do that, tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Let me go back here to the beginning of the settings. Scroll down, and if you see Apple Intelligence and Siri, then you have access to it. If you just see Siri and search, then you don't have access to this. Tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And then at the top, make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. So if that's off, just toggle that on. The next thing you're going to do is tap on Talk and Type to Siri. And make sure one of these is turned on, either Hey Siri or press side button for Siri. And now all you need to do is press and hold that side button. And you can see that glow around the edges when you initiate Siri instead of the old school symbol at the bottom center, and you'll be given access also to Apple Intelligence. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.